Hello, hi, welcome back to CSIR. So today we have a very exciting recruitment update for all of you who are looking for opportunities in the field of food science, biotechnology, microbiology and life sciences. So the CSIR Central Food Technological Research Institute, Mysuru, which is one of the premier laboratories under the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, which is CSIR, has released an official notification for the laboratories under the engagement of a project associate grade 1 and grade 2 positions. So this is a wonderful chance to work at a national level research institute to gain hands-on experience in cutting edge projects and also to build a strong career and profile in research and development. So let's dive deep into the details of this notification. You please listen carefully till the end of the video so that you don't miss out any important point or information regarding this particular notification and recruitment process in CSIR-CFTRI. So coming to the official website of the CSIR-CFTRI, which is cftri.res.in, you will see this home page and you can see the different options available here, and we have to go through the recruitment option available on the official home page of the CSIR-CFTRI. So here you can see different recruitment options like regular positions, then JRF or SRF, then project associate, project scientist, part-time doctor, guidelines options. So we have to go through the project associate or project scientist, part-time doctor options. Then we will be redirected to the currently available recruitment positions or that page. So here we can see that advertisement number PAT 41/2025, which is posted on 12th September 2025 and which is having a last date of 17th September 2025. So for more details we have to click here and we will be getting the official notification from the CFTRI for the particular advertisement. So this is the official notification for the mentioned positions. So moving in detail to the notification, the recruitment is being carried out for a project titled Bioresource Conservation and Prospection, funded by the CSIR at it tenable at the Department of Plant Cell Biotechnology, CSIR-CFTRI, Mysuru, Karnataka. So the project title is simple, which is Bioresource Conservation and Prospection, and it is funded by CSIR, and it is happening on the, or it is carrying out at the Department of Plant Cell Biotechnology, CSIR-CFTRI. So the engagement is purely temporary and is project based, and initially it is up to 31st March 2026. But remember, working at CSIR Institute not only gives you immense exposure but also opens up doors for future research opportunities and higher studies. So coming to the available posts, there are total of 2 positions for the project associate grade 1 or grade 2, and the age limit is 35 years and the salary is quite attractive. For a project associate grade 1, the stipend is 25,000 rupees plus HRA per month, and for project associate grade 2, the stipend goes up to 28,000 rupees plus HRA per month. So this is a good opportunity for fresh postgraduates as well as candidates with research experience. Then let's talk about the eligibility criteria. For the project associate grade 2, the candidate should have an MSc in food science, microbiology, botany, biochemistry, biotechnology or molecular biology, along with the 2 years of the relevant experience in research and development at the industrial or research institutions. So if you do not have the required experience, don't worry, you can still apply for the project associate grade 1 position, which requires the same MSc qualification but no prior experience. So both freshers and experienced candidates can apply depending upon their profile. And the job requirements mainly include food product development and formulation with a specialization in nutritional and secondary metabolite analysis. So the candidates with experience in this area will have an added advantage, especially for project associate grade 2 positions, and this is a wonderful chance to work on the food technology innovations that have both industrial and health relevance. And the subject panel you can choose while applying are food science and technology, including nutrition, life science, biotechnology or microbiology. You can see that in the notification, and make sure you select the correct panel according to your specialization, because that will decide how your application is processed and you being interviewed. Now let's look at the important rules and conditions. The age limit is strictly 35 years as on 17th September 2025, which is last date for the recruitment process, and which is relaxation in age is provided for a 5-year relaxation for SC, ST and person with benchmark disability, and also for women candidates, and 3 years for the OBC candidates. Also please note that only candidates who already have completed their qualifying degree and have their result declared are eligible. Final semester students or those who are awaiting for their results cannot apply for the particular positions, especially project associate grade 1. And another very important point, the CSIR has a maximum limit of 6 years of project staff tenure across all its labs. So if you have already worked for 6 years in any CSIR laboratory project, you are not eligible to apply, which is available or which is present in every notification of the institutions which is working under the CSIR. So that's a common thing. So if you are already having 6 years experience in a CSIR laboratory, you cannot apply for this position. And as for the selection process, application will first go through a shortlisting process, and if there are too many applications, the committee may shortlist based on their higher marks in the essential qualifications, then higher educational degrees, relevant experience or other criteria they find suitable. So after shortlisting, the candidates will be called for an interview, and the final selection will be based on the performance in the interview, and no TADA will be provided for attending the interview, and the list of shortlisted candidates will be displayed on the CSIR-CFTRI website. So keep checking regularly for updates, because mostly they are not going to send you an email if you are getting selected. So you have to check CSIR-CFTRI website regularly after the application process for the updates. And the selection panel and waitlist will be prepared as per the CSIR rules, and the performance of the selected candidates will also be reviewed periodically. This ensures that only serious and dedicated candidates continue in the project. Then coming to the application process, the application have to be submitted online only through the link given in the notification, which is patsel.cftri.res.in. So you must upload all the necessary uh, documents or supporting certificates during the application process, and also all the documents which is mentioned in the notifications, like date of birth, caste, qualification and experience, and no other mode of application will be accepted. Also make sure you choose the correct subject panel while applying, because the responsibility for that lies in within the candidate, and the last date for the submission is again 17th September 2025. So don't delay, apply as soon as possible for the position if you are interested. And coming to the application process, we already mentioned that you have to go through the link provided in the notification, which is patsel.cftri.res.in. You can see that, and if you go to this link, you will be redirected to this particular page, and you have to apply for the particular position mentioned in this page accordingly. And once you apply, the shortlisted candidate will be informed after screening. So before we wrap up the video, let's highlight the benefits of this opportunity. So working at CSIR-CFTRI Mysuru means an exposure to a premier national research institute, then learning advanced techniques in food science, biotechnology and molecular biology, and being a part of projects that directly contribute to the national development. So even though this is a temporary engagement, the experience you gain here will add a great value to your career, whether you plan to move into the industry, pursue higher research or studies, or apply for permanent scientific positions in the future. So the stipend offered here is competitive, and for fresh postgraduate, this is an excellent stepping stone. So if you are from a food science, biotechnology, microbiology or related backgrounds, do not miss this golden opportunity. And remember, the last date is 17th September 2025. Make sure you complete your application on time and attach all the documents properly, and keep checking the CFTRI official website for the updates. So that's all for today's recruitment update, and I hope this information and explanation was helpful for you. So if you found this video useful and helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends who might benefit from this, and subscribe to the channel CSIR Info for more such updates on jobs, exams and opportunities in science and research. So thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application, and I'll meet you in the next video.